Hey guys, welcome back to another Inform video. It's my day off today, so we're making some content. So today we're talking about Metro by T-Mobile and a really good plan that I actually have for $40 unlimited. It says $40 period. So let's go ahead and check it out, and we'll get into an article by Best MVNO, but this is through Metro by T-Mobile's official website. So it says save more when you switch. So right off the bat, it's telling you have to switch. So it says one line of unlimited 5G for just $40, period. Taxes and fees included. Wow. So guys, for 40 bucks, taxes and fees included, man, that's pretty good. It says that's the most affordable unlimited plan in prepaid versus major national prepaid brands. Looks like you have to find in store. So let's look at the fine print. It says price is per month with eligible port-in. If congested, the fraction of users using more than 35 gigs may notice reduced speeds, and Metro customers may notice reduced speeds versus T-Mobile customers due to prioritization, video streams, and SD. So right off the bat, let's break it down. Of course, that $40 is per month, not per week or every two months or whatever. It's $40 per month. You have to port in from a competing carrier, so it cannot be T-Mobile related. So if you want to port from Verizon, US Cellular, AT&T, Straight Talk, whatever it is, Cricket, you can. Now it's telling you right here that it seems to be getting, well, at least it's saying that you're getting fast speeds, but if the network is congested and you use more than 35 gigs of data, guys, you may notice that your speeds are going to be reduced. And of course, your speeds will be slower than if you're actually a T-Mobile customer, because remember, Metro by T-Mobile, uses T-Mobile's network. It's basically under T-Mobile, but of course, T-Mobile does get priority over the data, and congestion can be a problem if it's very congested. If not, then like I said, it should be fine. So your videos do stream in SD quality, so that's 480p. You cannot really watch in the HD, at least 1080p. You might get away with 720, but it's saying that video stream in SD quality, which should be fine if you're just streaming it on your phone, you know. So let's go ahead, now that we have that, let's go into the article. So here it is. This was actually in stores before, but it says Metro by T-Mobile brings back $40 switcher unlimited plan. That's what we just talked about. This is the article. So as you can see, the plan was quietly hidden in Walmart stores for several weeks. However, Metro has just moved the offer into dealer stores. So if you guys notice this, Walmart has a lot of prepaid deals, exclusive ones at that. So you want to check out some Walmart stores sometimes. It says Metro's $40 switcher unlimited plan offer details. The $40 switcher unlimited plan, of course, includes unlimited talk, text, and data. However, like I said, using your phone for a mobile hotspot is not allowed. Ooh, that's one thing. So that's one thing that they failed to tell you right here, guys. That's why it's good to read these articles, is this plan does not give you hotspot. All right, welcome back. Sorry, guys, I had to let the dog out, and my son came in. He had to use the bathroom too. So, but like I said, no hotspot is allowed. So video streams at a resolution of 480p. Like I said, that is a standard definition, so it's a little harder to watch HD videos unless you're on Wi-Fi. Since data is deprioritized, that means that during the times of congestion, like I said, you will notice slower speeds compared to other customers on the T-Mobile network. Data speeds may slow further during network congestion if you consume more than 35 gigs of data. So you're going to get slowed down twice, basically. Even if you haven't used more than 35 gigs, your speeds will be slower than a normal T-Mobile customer. And after you use more than 35 gigs, it will be even slower until the bill cycle. It says expect to pay a $20 line activation fee through dealers. That $40 plan price includes taxes and fees. It says at Walmart, Metro is also pitching the offer as a $10 a month plan to those who qualify for the government ACP benefit. So pretty cool. Let's see more stuff. That's about it, really. The rest of it, I mean, there's also Visible Mobile offering $25 a month unlimited plan, which is the cheapest on the market, but of course, it's not sold in stores, and the speeds are very limited. So this is just saying this part of that $4 unlimited plan is not the first time that they've offered it. It was back in September 2021, so not bad at all. So Pretty cool, guys. What do you think about this? I think it's a pretty cool concept. $40 a month for unlimited talk text. You really get 35 gigs of kind of fast speed, which is not bad at all. So let me know in the comments below what you think. Please comment, rate, subscribe for more videos coming your way.